Hey guys, it's Joe, and in this video I'm going to show you how to pan correctly in Logic. Now I know that's going to sound a little bit odd because it's panning, how can you do it wrong? But in Logic the panning default is actually a little bit odd. And I'm just going to show you, well, we're going to go over to the pan pot on our channel strip here, and we're just going to right click. And you can see we've got stereo pan, balance and binaural pan. We're not really going to worry about binaural pan because we don't really tend to use that in production a lot. So we're just going to focus on the stereo pan and the balance. And these work in very different ways. And the balance is the default that comes up when you open up Logic. And what the balance does is it actually, instead of moving the entire audio signal to either the right or the left, it just decreases the other side. So I've panned this quite a lot to the right, and instead of shifting that signal, it's just decreased the signal on the left. So we're losing a lot of information that way. Whereas if we right click and change it to stereo pan, it actually shifts that entire information with it, instead of just decreasing one side. So I'm just going to demonstrate the differences here. I've just got a backing guitar that I've just copied over. I've got a soft right, a soft left, and then these are on the stereo pan and these are on the balance. I'll just need to change that back. So we'll just have a listen to how they sound. Now I just duplicated these, I haven't changed anything between them. They're both exactly the same, but we can hear that the stereo pan is a lot louder. It has a lot more information in it compared to the balance pan. And we want to make sure we're doing that on pretty much everything, if I'm honest. I think it's very odd that the balance pan is the default for Logic. I'm not quite sure why. I found much better results using the stereo pan. So I'll just have a listen in context with the mix as well. The whole thing just sounds wider, there's more space to it, whereas it sounds quite narrow and quite limited in comparison. Of course, if you weren't comparing them, then they probably sound fine on their own really, because certainly beforehand I didn't know any different, but actually changing these has made quite a drastic improvement to the stereo field of my mix. I hope you found this video useful, and if you have any questions, please leave a comment or contact me via my website. Thanks a lot for watching, cheers.